Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are diving into the world of pair programming. We will explore collaborative coding techniques and benefits. Let's get started. So, what exactly is pair programming? It's an agile software development technique where two programmers work together at one workstation. In this setup, one person takes on the role of the driver, who actively writes the code, while the other person acts as the navigator, carefully reviewing each line of code as it's being written. Think of it as having a co-pilot for your coding journey. Let's break down the roles in pair programming. First, we have the driver. The driver is the one at the keyboard, actively writing the code. Their responsibilities include implementing the code, focusing on the tactical aspects of the task, explaining their thought process as they code, and translating ideas into actual code. Then there's the navigator. The navigator reviews the code as it's being written by the driver. They think strategically about the overall design and potential issues, spot errors and suggest improvements, and consider the bigger picture, ensuring the code aligns with the project's goals. Pair programming offers several key benefits. One of the most significant is higher code quality. With two sets of eyes on the code, you are more likely to catch bugs and ensure that the code is clean, maintainable, and has fewer defects. Pair programming also facilitates knowledge sharing. As team members work together, there is a continuous transfer of skills, techniques, and domain knowledge, which helps reduce knowledge silos. Team cohesion is another advantage. Pair programming builds stronger relationships between team members, improves communication, and creates shared ownership of the code. Finally, pair programming enhances focus. Working with a partner increases accountability and reduces distractions, leading to more productive coding sessions. There are several common styles of pair programming. First, there's the Driver-Navigator style. This is the classic approach where roles are clearly defined. One person writes code, the driver, while the other reviews and directs, the navigator. Partners switch roles frequently to keep the process dynamic. This style is best when there's a clear task to accomplish with a defined approach. Next, we have the ping-pong style. In this style, one developer writes a failing test and the other makes it pass, then writes the next test. Roles alternate with each test code cycle, closely following test-driven development principles. The ping-pong style is most effective when practicing test-driven development and working with clearly defined requirements. Lastly, there's the Expert-Novice style. This involves an experienced developer pairing with a less experienced one. The expert guides and teaches, while the novice asks questions and learns by doing. This style is particularly useful when onboarding new team members or sharing specialized knowledge within the team. To make the most of pair programming, it's important to follow some best practices. First and foremost, focus on effective communication. Think out loud and explain your reasoning as you code. Ask questions rather than dictating solutions, and use inclusive language while being respectful of your partner's ideas. Good time management is also crucial. Switch roles every 20 to 30 minutes to keep both partners engaged. Take regular breaks to prevent fatigue, and limit pair programming sessions to 2 to 3 hours maximum. Setting up the environment properly is essential. Use a comfortable workspace with enough room for both partners, ensure the screen is easily visible to both, and agree on editor settings and shortcuts to avoid unnecessary friction. Finally, maintain focus and clear goals. Define clear objectives before starting a session, stay on task and avoid distractions, and after each session, take time to reflect on what you learned and how you can improve your approach in the future. Pair programming isn't limited to co-located teams. With the right tools and practices, remote pairing can be just as effective. The key is to establish clear communication channels and use specialized collaboration tools. There are several popular tools available for remote pair programming. Visual Studio Code Live Share allows developers to collaboratively edit and debug code in real time. Gitpod provides cloud-based development environments that can be shared instantly. Tuple is a dedicated remote pair programming tool with features like shared mouse cursors and screen control. And of course, general-purpose communication tools like Discord and Zoom are essential for voice and video communication during remote sessions. Ready to get started with pair programming? Here are a few steps to help you begin. First, start small. Choose a well-defined, manageable task that both partners understand. Focus on building the pairing habit before tackling complex problems. Next, establish norms. Agree on how you'll work together, including how often you'll switch roles, when you'll take breaks, and how you'll provide constructive feedback. Finally, reflect and improve. After each session, discuss what went well and what could be improved. Continuously refine your pairing approach to optimize your collaborative coding experience. For further resources, you can explore the Agile Alliance Guide, read Pair Programming Illuminated by Williams and Kessler, or visit pairprogramming.com. Happy pairing! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.